So this is a 6100 carburetor, Nikki. All right, let's pop this baby off. Oh, look at that. What do we have here? That could be the problem. I'll pull this out, toss the carburetor down in there, and it screws. We'll take this part out, just get it clean. Ooh. Oh boy, that looks really nice. Thing looks good and clean. We'll let it just dry. And I went ahead and ordered the gaskets and the new parts, but there was one thing I wanted to kind of show in regards to this part right here. This is the float, and I haven't washed it yet. They're actually really not that dirty, but I just want to make sure it floats and doesn't take on water.